Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to manage your inventory in your Shopify store. Keeping track of stock helps you avoid overselling, stay organized, and give customers a smooth experience. Let's walk through it together on your Shopify dashboard. Start by clicking Products in the upper left part of your dashboard. Click this option to continue. Once you're here, click Inventory. Here, you can see a list of all your items, including available, on hand, and unavailable quantities, as well as SKUs. We can edit items one by clicking on an item or using the Edit button. Just open and make the changes you need. We can also select all items to edit them in bulk. This lets us make changes to multiple items at once. We can go through each item to keep everything up to date. Once we're done, just click Save in the upper right corner. We can also create a view for our items. Just click Create View. Enter a name, and as you can see, we have created a new view. From here, we can also process orders, create transfers, and update quantities. We can update quantities directly from this page. And that's how we manage inventory in a Shopify store. Staying on top of your stock helps your business run smoothly and keeps your customers happy.